simplicity, innocence. We think we know everything about food, and we really don't. Two things that you can make in your house, two things that are just staple ingredients you can find everywhere. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna take this and elevate it and make something that's, a stunning restaurant-worthy dish. So we're gonna do a watermelon salad. This, to me, is the most quintessentially Southern dish. Watermelon, peanuts, popcorn. All of these things are very iconically Southern. And this dish actually came about because I was hanging out with my daughter, and she loves watermelon. I mean, she eats her weight in watermelon. And one day she started to put popcorn on it and ate it together. It was just one of those magical moments where I kind of looked at her and thought she was absolutely insane. And I was like, I've never done that before, but I could see it actually working. And then I tried it, and it was delicious. That really got me inspired, and I started to think, what can I do? I can't just serve watermelon and popcorn at my restaurant. So I started to think, can I add some more elements to it? Can I add a couple more layers out of these really simple, humble ingredients like popcorn and watermelon? All right. I'm gonna make some popcorn today. We're gonna make some popcorn the old-fashioned way, shall we? We're gonna throw a little bit of neutral oil. Remember, I wanna pop the popcorn at a really high temperature, so no olive oil here. We want something neutral. Canola oil, corn oil, also even peanut oil works.